clear your Gmail search history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Chrome or any browser on your device and then go ahead and open Gmail. Once you have opened Gmail, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for manage your Google account. So tap on the manage your Google account option you see there and then tap on the data and privacy option you see there. Further, you will see the option for web and app activity. So tap on the web and app activity option and further in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the option for manage all web and app activity. Tap on it. Now, go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for delete. So, tap on the delete option you see there and then go ahead and select the range for when you want to delete your web and app activity. In the confirmation that appears, tap on delete, and with this, your search history will be cleared. So, this was about how you can clear your Gmail search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.